guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are looking at YEARN Finance, or YFI, currently ranked at 158 with a market cap of about $169 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $18 million, and today we are going to be looking at the technical analysis, right? The price prediction and the price action right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? And so for YFI, we are up about 0.4% for the day. And without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So on the chart right here, if we are looking at just YFI, right, as you can see, YFI versus the USD Theta, we're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And just looking at YFI, right, we can see that we have been in this range right here from last month. Every single time we saw prices push to this $5,000 level, we have seen a bounce. Same thing right here, we saw a bounce. Same thing right here, we saw a bounce. And currently, we are expecting some sort of a bounce. So minimum, we are expecting to see is a push right here to the top of this level, to the 5,400 level, and that could be a whopping push from where we are of about how many percent. We could see another whopping 7% push to the upside right here for YFI, right? So that is what we are expecting, a push of about 7.42% for YFI, as if we just basically check the volume profile. As you can see, volume profile is basically saying we are seeing huge bullish divergence right here happening. As you can see, huge signal momentum has just shifted in favor of the bulls, right? The last time we saw this momentum shift, we saw this push to the upside, and currently the same thing is happening, which means we are more bullish on YFI than before, and we should expect to see prices right there at the 5,400 region. So that's what we are expecting right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would be bringing you analysis on the daily basis right here for YFI. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.